Disaster Survival 1, Surviving the Earthquake. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Runnerman. He liked to run a lot. He outrun the speed of sound. People heard his own sonic boom and they cheered when they heard his own sonic boom. He had his own pet named Sonic the Hedgehog. He can travel great distances and can run in water. But one day, there was this earthquake. It was his first time feeling the earthquake. Whoa! He noticed this weird thing. As he traveled further, the quake was weakening. He wondered why that was happening. Then he had an idea. Why not travel so far that he couldn't feel the vibration in the earthquake? But he knew that he needed to save people by traveling faster than the speed of sound. So he got to work. But first, he had to do something. He ran as fast as he could. He tried to save the people, but nothing worked. Something weird happened. He heard a large boom. Wait, that's my own sonic boom, he said. He heard people getting into the houses and hiding below tables. Maybe I can do that, he said. He went to his own house and hid under a table. He waited until the quake stopped. Suddenly, another quake began. That's weird. There's another earthquake beginning. Then he went outside and ran around his house until the quake stopped. But the quake didn't stop. Instead, it still was going. He had to do something, but he was acting like a scared kid. He was running around the house. But that just made it worse. The windows shattered because of the sonic boom. Just then, the earthquake stopped. He was surprised. He was waiting for the earthquake to end. He was examining the earthquake data and noticed something deadly. A tsunami was coming. He yelled the tsunami warning. Tsunami. That was all the